Harry Styles' Pescatarian Diet, a flavorful path to health and sustainability. Harry Styles, the multifaceted singer and actor known for his vibrant stage presence and distinctive fashion sense, has garnered attention not only for his artistic endeavors, but also for his unique dietary choices. Following a pescatarian diet, Styles excludes meat while embracing fish, seafood, and a variety of plant-based foods. This dietary shift, which he adopted 3 years ago, was inspired by the vegan meals prepared by his bandmates during their tours. Styles has openly shared that this change has led to significant health improvements, prompting fans and health enthusiasts alike to explore the benefits of a pescatarian lifestyle. Understanding the pescatarian diet. The pescatarian diet is a flexible eating plan that emphasizes plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, while incorporating fish and seafood for protein. Unlike vegetarian diets, pescatarians do not consume red meat, poultry, or processed meats, which allows them to enjoy the nutritional benefits of fish while still focusing on a largely plant-based lifestyle. Styles, who spoke about his dietary choices in a 2020 Vogue cover interview, noted, "My body definitely feels better for it." His experience highlights a growing trend among individuals who seek healthier eating habits without completely eliminating animal products. The health benefits of a pescatarian diet. Many individuals choose to adopt a pescatarian diet for various reasons, including health, ethical concerns, and environmental sustainability. Here are some of the key benefits associated with this dietary pattern. 1. Nutritional value. Fish is a rich source of high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. Unlike red meat, fish is generally lower in saturated fats, making it a heart-healthy option. Nutrients such as vitamin D and B12, which are abundant in fish, play crucial roles in maintaining overall health. 2. Heart health. One of the most significant advantages of a pescatarian diet is its potential to promote cardiovascular health. The omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are known to reduce the risk of heart disease by minimizing plaque buildup in arteries and decreasing the likelihood of arrhythmias. These healthy fats can also help regulate blood pressure and lower triglyceride levels, contributing to better heart health. 3. Weight management. A diet rich in plant-based foods tends to be lower in calories yet higher in fiber, which can support weight management efforts. Foods like vegetables, legumes, and whole grains promote satiety and help individuals feel full for longer periods. When combined with lean fish, this diet can provide the necessary nutrients without excessive caloric intake, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. 4. Environmental considerations. In addition to its health benefits, the pescatarian diet is an environmentally conscious choice. By reducing meat consumption, individuals lower their greenhouse gas emissions and overall environmental footprint. This aspect of the diet appeals to those who are mindful of their impact on the planet and seek sustainable food choices. Is the pescatarian diet right for you? While the pescatarian diet offers numerous benefits, it may not be suitable for everyone. It is essential for individuals to consider their personal health needs and dietary preferences before making significant changes to their eating habits. Consulting with a healthcare provider or nutritionist can provide valuable insights and ensure that any new diet aligns with individual health goals. In conclusion, Harry Styles' commitment to a pescatarian diet reflects a broader trend toward healthier, more sustainable eating habits. By incorporating fish and seafood alongside a variety of plant-based foods, individuals can enjoy a balanced diet that supports their health while being mindful of the environment. As more people become aware of the benefits associated with this dietary approach, it is likely that the pescatarian lifestyle will continue to gain popularity as a flavorful and health-conscious option.